Hello everyone, today we are going into the new problem set, that is Home Federal Saving Bank. Okay, so your first step would be to watch this YouTube video and then this terminal embedded video, and then you are going to read this question, and then again you are going to watch this terminal embedded video. This will be your flowchart of tackling this kind of problem. Okay, so I have done all of these steps, so I'm directly jumping into the solving portion. So this is what they are asking from us. If the we are going to prompt to the user, and then if the hello is there in the input, then you have to output $0. Or if it starts with H but not hello, then the output should be $20, otherwise $100. And I have to ignore any leading white spaces in the user's greeting. That it will be tackled by dot strip function, and treat the user's greeting case insensitively. It will be tackled by dot lower. If I hard-codedly lowers my user's input, then I can be able to solve the conditionals easily. So let's dive into the coding portion. Code bank.py. Here I'm going to prompt for the user, that is greeting dot strip dot lower, and then conditionals. If hello in text, print how much dollars? $0. Elif text says zeroth portion, zeroth place is equal to H. Then I'm going to print how much dollars? $20. Elif. And yeah, one thing to be noted here is that if I have tackled this case and then also it goes to this block of code, it means the given text do not have any hello in there. It means I'll be able to tackle this condition all alone without considering not starting with hello. Here it is written, but not hello. Okay, so this is to be noted. Else I am just going to print how much dollars? $100. It is $100, and that is it for the code, if I'm not wrong. I am just going to check it using CS50. You have to check all your code using these giving prompts to us. Okay, and then only go to this CS50. Voila, our code is perfectly correct. Now you can submit it by using submit50. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.